How's it going, rednecks? I'm here in Detroit today, or this beautiful morning, for the Detroit Gambler 500, and I got the Turdle. For those of you who don't know what the Detroit Gambler 500 is, it is a 500-mile on-road, off-road rally race in Detroit, and they have them all over the state. And I gotta say, it's quite the adventure. I have to, if you haven't done it, I say do it, and hopefully nothing goes wrong. This will be the third year in the Turdle, and it's in pretty rough shape. So, got my fingers crossed. I guess enjoy.
Find your way into this wonderland. Cross the maze, the dark, the innocent.
It's already past max. Well, we'll just keep adding this as we go.
Yeah.
Are you supposed to pour this whole can of Restore in your car or only portion?
I don't know.
It doesn't say any quantity. And
I was gonna
it's
pour
an
the
oil,
whole thing
yeah,
in.
it's an oil additive, so it's not a supplement.
For use in full.
Now we'll probably blow the motor on the way out.
Sure, go ahead. It's actually just straight gasoline. He said he wants it dead.
We're gonna make it dead. No.
I was just reading to see if it said do oil change after 500 miles.
It's not a flush.
He's not gonna react to it. I'm gift of kindness.
I don't know.
Yeah,
I don't know if we could do any worse for this motor.
It'll be like my 250. Every time I try to fix it, something worse breaks.
All right, we're gonna see how my pouring skills work here.
Slug and glug. Oh,
Like black to start out with.
it's like a purple.
Looks like metallic-y too.
Oh, that's good.
Just throwing metal in there. It's like glad it'll fill the.
It's got to restore the metal with something.
It's gotta come from somewhere.
Gotta
guys.
replace what was gone.
You gotta put the can.
Yeah, just top the whole thing.
Oh,
Just start
Jesus.
cutting the can.
I don't even seem right.
I can't believe you're putting that in.
What am I gonna do to it?
Yeah.
What exactly am I
That's
gonna
like
do?
this is what I told
I'll
you.
put water in here if you want. Poor Turdle. It's okay, girl. It's okay.
Heaven sent, I got your world upside down. The labyrinth will guide you far away to the place where senses will decay. Your ghost and mind will shadow play. I got your world upside down.
Next, we made it to our first stop. We're here at Belle Isle, and the casino's over here. We went around. They have a fountain. It's not on right now, unfortunately. I don't know if that's due to the whole COVID beer disease, but right now I guess the Turdle's doing pretty good. We had to jump a few curbs to get where we're at right now, which is kind of funny. We got lost a little bit, but so I guess there's not a whole lot to see here, unfortunately. So we're gonna go to the next spot, and I guess I'll see you there. Rednecks, we didn't actually stop at our second stop, which was the only other stop in Detroit. It was the fist statue, I guess. So I'll post a picture of it right here. want me to?
I'd say you do.
Yeah, we were supposed to stop there. We didn't see anywhere to stop, so we kept going. We actually just got done eating here at Buffalo Wild Wings. We're on our way up north to the trails. So I guess the next time you see me, we'll be up in the trails. So see you then. That's where we lost that wheel. Rednecks, as you see, we are on our first trail. They're pretty mild, but unfortunately that is the van Cherokee, and he did not make it up this hill. So this is going to be recovery number 1 of many, I'm sure. So we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. So was it a power or traction issue? Traction. Okay, we might have to air down.
Yeah. I did bring a
I got an air compressor
down.
So do I.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Yeah, you dug her right down. All right, Rednecks, we'll see what happens. We aired his front tires down to 15 PSI. We'll see if we can get him to just back out. Unfortunately, prom night can't get around him. This is too loose through here. So we're gonna have to give her the old heave ho probably. We'll see. No, just go easy. Don't gas it like you just go easy.
That's literally foot off the brake.
You're framed out. Just put it in park. Yeah, that ain't gonna work. He's got that thing framed right out, so we're gonna have to try and get Umpty to pull him out or something. We're gonna see.
Stop. Stay right there.
Keep you around.
Get him all the way down to the base of the hill so he can get a good run.
I don't even think you need to do that. I think just get him on stock and he'll back out.
I don't think he'll be able to go on this.
Yeah, he'll be able to back up.
Oh, he'll be able to back up.
Let him back all the way down the hill. And
Yeah. You in reverse?
Yep.
There we go.
All right. Back up a little bit more.
That's good, Umpty. There we go.
Oh, stay, no, don't pull him no more. Back up. Oh, stay right there, Umpty.
What?
Stop. Stay.
A little unorthodox, but we got it. Teamwork. You gotta listen.
Thank you.
No power. He made it. Dang. He was bogging the whole time.
He's coming.
Is he?
Here he comes.
Deal.
Looks like you missed some undercoating at the bottom. I can see it underneath there.
Spare radiator.
There you go.
I was thinking ahead.
We're leaving right now. Here we go.
We need to wait on Andrew.
Not happening.
Almost there.
We're not waiting for Andrew.
He says he's good.
Okay, good, because we weren't waiting.
Hell yeah. Go, buddy, go. Go, 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 yeah. It's so hot in here too. I'm sorry, Umpty, if you're watching this video, I am sorry.
Brian says he's super sorry.
He chose this path.
But is he?
But is he really?
What's that?
Just hoping this thing's working. I don't like that guy.
My paint job.
What guy?
Watch that one on the left, it almost took my mirror off. Really breaking in that topper.
Dude, this is bad. I barely fit.
Don't fit. Whose idea was this? I blame Brian.
This was not the navigator's idea.
Brian, I need a new paint job.
Oh, this is bad.
Brian, you're like ripping trees down.
So are we. Or topper.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that guy. I don't think a full-size truck is supposed to go through these trails. Just saying.
Oh man, this is bad, Dad. I hope this doesn't go on too much longer.
Well, we can get off this thing here. We're about halfway.
If we run into a quadrant round, you know what we're gonna tell them?
I think we should all send the DNR a strongly worded letter saying they should trim this trail.
Tell them that my mid-size 91 Oldsmobile 98 Legacy Elite does not fit well down this trail.
This could be bad right here. I think we might blow a tire. I don't know what I'm even gonna do.
Should we push that log back?
Yeah, we're gonna have to.
Hey Brian, how in the hell did you fit through this? What? Oh,
Oh God. Seriously? This is why I don't need a new paint job.
You think
Are we there yet?
You think we can't fit? Imagine Brian.
Does this thing open up at all? You're literally carrying a tree on the front of the car.
Yeah, I can't get up to do anything about it. No.
You okay up there, Brian?
Oh my God.
I did assess some damage carnation after that one.
We're not turning around. There was a tree that he had to squeeze between. It was really tight with his topper.
I'm wondering how many of my belongings in the roof rack is going to still be there.
Yeah, this is a bad trail. We're hopefully almost through it. Hopefully there's no more like this because we're all gonna need a new paint job after this one. Well, there we go. It was a little puddle, but it was a fun one. We're actually on way to camp, I should say. So had to stop, do a little fun puddle. So I guess we'll see you guys back at camp unless something else happens. So. Well, Rednecks, we made it to camp. We're actually here. We got prom night. We got Gert. We caught up with Gert. The Turtle made it. Then we got the van Cherokee. We got, I guess we're just calling it the Oldsmobile Cup. And then we got this guy right here, Lance the Man. He's got YouTube. Make sure to check him out. I'll have his channel link in the description below. The Abe Lincoln. So we're here at camp. We're gonna get set up. Eventually we'll have a movie going. So I'll get once we get all that set up, everything done, I'll get you guys caught back up with what's going on. Well, there we go, Rednecks. We got a camp set up. We're cooking hot dogs right now. Just set up the TV and sound bar. As you can see, we got some tents being set up. Lance is overkilling it right now, but yeah, I guess we're gonna call it a night. Maybe I'll show you kind of around what we got going on. We have a fire going here in a little bit, so yeah, if not, I will see you guys tomorrow morning.
I got your package. Those pink coconut things have made me quite popular.